It's a K9 breakfast. K9 breakfast party.
Breakfast, baby.
We on the way.
$15 a day. We gonna eat.
Hey, all right. This is the next installment of Poker Face TV, Day 2, Myrtle Beach, 2011.
Wow.
Last night was, pretty unsuccessful because I ain't get no draws. I blame it on me being fatigued though from the long ass ride. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes it happens like that.
Step up the game, baby.
It's approximately what, 8:30? 8:35. A motherfucker hungry, tired, a little tipsy still, but I ain't gonna get this grub in.
After breakfast, I will be coming back to the room and taking another nap.
Another nap.
Because all I took last night was a nap.
Yup.
This finna be the re-nap. That's what we finna call it.
We got day 2 green on play, boy.
The re-nap.
Renap.
Look at all the wood grain. What troubles you, young squire? Me don't know where my kids. Me couldn't sleep. Bad. It's so bad. Bad sheet.
It's them things squeezing his toes.
Them plastic socks.
Yeah, that's what troubles
His
him.
gloves.
Look,
He's squeezing.
that man got glove socks on. Yeah, it is. First flow. Grown men and hoes get out the door. Myrtle Beach is hot. He got to go to his truck first.
Yeah, I everything. Damn, what the hell is that?
It's Gucci, baby. Zoom. Hit him with the zoom.
One time.
Oh, that's why on TV these motherfuckers can never hold the camera straight. When you walk, you really can't. Hit him with the wham. Hit him with the wham. Hit him with the wham.
What I'm figuring is,